next cap I need to replace is C33. So I go over to the drawing, pull that out, and C33 is here. So I look for a VR or something to get me in cahoots where I need to be. C33 is buried down here in this board. It looks like that could be C33 right there. Resistor, yep, that's him. So then you have to approximate where C33 is at. I say it's this guy right here. It is. With that, it's unsoldered. So you come back on this side, pull him out. There's C33. We're going to verify. This says it's a 47 at 10. Schematic says it should be a 47 at 10. So we'll throw that in the junk pile. Take the new C33, 47 at 10. Verify it's what it says on the bag. And I don't trust anybody, so I always look at the cap itself. 47 at 10, so that works. And then the next thing is polarity, negative. And on these, they got a little circle for the long lead to be positive, and the polarity is correct. We flip her over, grab our soldering pencil and our solder, and we go and we solder this guy in right here. And here. And with that, C33 is soldered in. We got two really long leads here, so we take our flush cuts and we make sure we're keeping these so you don't leave them rolling around inside the radio. Flush cut. C33 is done. Then I take my Mr. Purple marker here. I color the head of that cap purple. That way I know I've changed it. And as a final step, I go over here to my database and I take C33 and I say it's complete. The end.